ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Please do the lakaras of all the lakara forms of all the dhatus,
Okay.
whatever is listed here. And you can, if you can, add subject and object also,
Okay.
depending on the dhatu, whether it is sakarmaka or akarmaka.
Okay. All alakaras. Okay. Saha annam khadati.
Very good.
Tau annam khadatah. Taha. Sorry. Te sakatau te. Te.
It's okay. Taha is Srilinga in that case.
That's okay. Fine. But I was doing all pulling. So yeah. Te annam khadanti. Saha annam akhadat. Te tau annam akhadatam. Te annam akhadan.
Akadatam, not akadatam. I was thinking your Madhyama Purusha.
Takara taman. Yeah. Akadatam. Okay. Then lot lakara. Saha annam khadatu. Yeah. Annam khadatu. Tau annam khadat.
Same as lang lakara.
Yeah, lang. Okay. Khadatam.
Only A will not be there.
Yes. Te annam khadantu. Then ling vidhilinga. Okay. Okay. Saha annam khadhet. Tau annam khadetam. And then te annam khadeyuhu.
Yes, good.
Okay. Then pachati. Mata annam pachati. Matarau annam pachataha.
No. Matarau.
Okay. Oh, pitarau. Matarau. Okay. Matarau. Pitarau, matarau. Matarau annam pachataha. Mataraha annam pachanti. Mata annam
Mataraha, did you say?
I said mata.
No.
Mataraha, last one.
Yeah, Mataraha, not Mataraha.
Mataraha. Okay. Then mata annam apachat. Matarau annam apachatam. Mataraha annam apachan. And then lotlakara. Mata annam pachatu. मातरौ अन्नं पचतां मातरः अन्नं पचन्तु then पचेत् माता अन्नं पचेत् मातरौ अन्नं पचेतां मातरः अन्नं पचेयुः okay then पत्रं पतति पत्रे पततः पत्राणि पतन्ति. This is akarmaka, so there will not be a object.
Karma.
Yeah, karma. Then patram apatat, patre apatatam, patrani apatan. Then patatu is like patram patatu. It doesn't go well, right?
It's okay. Why not?
It's okay.
Let the trees fall. Let the leaf.
Okay.
Leaf fall.
Patram patatu, patre patatam, patrani patantu. Patram patet, patre patetam, patrani pateyuhu. Vadati. Ramah vadati, Ramo vadataha, Ramaha vadanti.
Can take karma.
Karma? Okay.
It can take sakramaka dhatu.
Yeah, yes, vadati. Okay. Ramaha bhashanam vadati, Ramo bhashanam vadataha, Rama.
Bhashanam, instead of bhashanam, we can say something else. Ramaha upadesham.
Patanam.
Ramaha says something.
Ramaha.
Sandesham vadati. Upadesham. Not
Okay.
upadesham. Upadeshati is that.
Sandesham.
Something
Music.
else. Rama tells what?
The story. Kathanam. Katam.
Rama Sita vadati. Why not?
Okay. Sitam vadati. Okay. Rama Sitam vadati. Ramau Sitam vadataha. Ramaha Sitam vadanti. Ramaha Sitam avadat. Ramau Sitam avadatam. Ramaha Sitam avadan. Okay. Avadan. Then Ramaha Sitam vadatu. Ramau Sitam vadatam. Ramaha Sitam vadantu. Ramaha Sitam vadet. Ramau Sitam vadetam. Ramaha Sitam vadeyuhu. Okay. Rakshati. This is Raja Rakshati.
Dharmam Rakshati.
I can use this. Raja Janam Rakshat. Prajam.
Okay. Janan.
Okay.
Or Prajam, whatever it is.
Prajan also is okay.
Prajam.
Yeah.
Prajan. Praja is Srilinga.
Yes, Prajam. Okay. Janan, I can say, right?
Yes.
Janan. Raja Janam Rakshati. Rajanau Janam Rakshataha.
Janan or Janam?
Janan.
Okay, Janan Bahuvachanam. Yes.
Bahuvachanam I'm doing. Rajanau Janan Rakshataha. Rajanaha Janam Rakshanti. Okay. Raja Janan Rakshat. Arakshat. Rajanau Janan Arakshatam. Rajanaha Janam Arakshan.
Did you say Janam or Janan? The Nakara sound I'm not hearing.
Janan.
Okay.
Yeah. Raja, maybe I don't know whether I said, but I wanted to say Janan. Janan. Raja Janan Rakshatu. Rajanau Janan Rakshatam. Rajanaha Janan Rakshantu. Raja Janan Rakshet. Rajanau Janan Rakshetam. Rajanaha Janan Raksheyuhu. Okay. To live Vasati. Vasati. Object.
Akarmaka dhatu.
Akarmaka
You can
Vasati.
tell
Yeah, I
the
cannot say.
locus.
Only locus I can tell. Nagare Vasati, like I can say. It's
Yes,
only
yes,
locus.
Saptami.
Saptami. Okay. So
Ramaha Vane Vasati.
Sita Vane Vasati. Site Vane Vasataha. Sitaha. Sorry, Ramaha.
Right, Pongal. Third Pongal.
Sitaha Vane Vasanti. Sita Vane Avasat. Site Vane Avasatam. Sitaha Vane Avasan. Then Sita Vane Vasatu. Site Vane Vasatam. Sitaha Vane Vasantu. Sita Vane Avaset. Sorry, Vaset. Sita Vane Vaset. Site Vane Vasatam. Vasetam. Vasetam. Sitaha Vane Vaseyuhu. Okay. Charati. Okay. Balaha Charati. This also only locus I can say, right? This also.
Charati can mean grace also is there. In that case, Ashvaha Tranam Charati, you can say.
Object can come. Yeah. Okay. Ashvaha Trinam Charati. Ashvau Trinam Charataha. Ashvaha Trinam Charanti. Ashvaha Trinam Acharat. Ashvau Trinam Acharatam. Ashvaha Trinam Acharan. And then Ashvaha Trinam Charatu. Ashvau Trinam Charatam. Ashvaha Trinam Charantu. Okay. Then Ashvaha Trinam Charet. Ashvau Trinam Charetam. Ashvaha Trinam Chareyuhu. Jivati. This also is Akarmaka.
Yes, same thing like
Same thing
Nagare
like
Jivati.
only the Saptami can come.
Grame Jivati, like that, yes.
Okay.
Or Grihe Jivati, something.
Okay.
America Deshe Jivati.
Okay. Okay. Nagare Jivati.
You can use Aham.
Aham Jivami. Aham Jivami.
Kutra.
Aham Vane. Aham Grihe Jinami. Jivami. Aham Grihe Jivami. Avam Grihe Jivavaha. Vayam Grihe Jivamaha. Okay. Then Aham. One second.
Grihe.
Okay. Aham Grihe Ajivam. Avam Grihe Ajivava. Vayam Grihe Ajivama. Then Aham Aham Grihe Jivani. Avam Grihe Jivava. Vayam Grihe Jivama. And then okay. Aham Grihe Jiveyam. Avam Grihe Jiveva.
Yes.
Vayam Grihe Jivema. Okay. Salute. Namati. Tvam, I'll try to take Tvam. Tvam Ishvaram Namasi. Yuvam Ishvaram Namatha. Yuyam Ishvaram Namatha. Then Tvam second. सः तं त्वम् ईश्वरं सः
अनमः
अनमः अनमः त्वम् ईश्वरम् अनमः युवाम् ईश्वरम् अनमतम्
अनम
अनमतं यूयम् ईश्वरम् अनमत then त्वम् ईश्वरं नम युवाम् ईश्वरं नमतं यूयम् ईश्वरं नमत then नमेः okay त्वम् ईश्वरं नमेः युवाम् ईश्वरं नमेयम्
नमेतं
नमेतं ईः इतम् इत ओके नमेतं यूयम् ईश्वरं नमेत
yes
okay then त्यजति okay अहं फलं त्यजति
त्यजामि
अहं फलं त्यजामि आवां फलं त्यजामः वयं फलं त्यजामः त्यजामः ओके अहं फलम् अत्यजत् आवाम्
अत्यजम्
अत्यजम्
is an agam right
अहं या ओके त्यजम् अम्बम ओके अहं फलम् अत्यजम् आवां फलम् त्यजाव वयं फलम् अत्यजाम अहं फलं त्यजामि आवां फलं त्यजाव वयं फलं त्यजाम then अहं फलं त्यजेयम् आवां फलं त्यजेव वयं फलं त्यजेम ओके अटति will be sakarmaka
not agam
sakarmaka right or no
not sakarmaka just
it is akarmaka only
ashvaha udyane atati
udyane is only the adhikaranam will come okay aham udyane atami avam udyane atavah vayam udyane atamah then aham udyane atam आवां उद्याने आटाम आटाव वयं उद्याने आटाम yes then अहं उद्याने अटानि आवां उद्याने अटाव वयं उद्याने अटाम अहं उद्याने अटेयम् इयम् इव एव अहम् उद्याने अटेयम् आवाम् उद्याने अटेव वयम् उद्याने अटेम धावति बालिका धावति बालिके धावतः बालिकाः धावन्ति बालिका अधावत् बालिके अधावताम् बालिकाः अधावन् sorry अधावन् and then बालिका धावतु बालिकौ sorry बालिके धावताम् बालिकाः धावन्तु then धावेत् बालिका धावेत् बालिके धावेताम् बालिके बालिकाः धावे
Daveyuhu.
Daveyuhu. Yeah. Okay. Sprishati. Okay.
Shishuhu Agnim Sprishati.
Okay.
Do it.
Shishu Agnim Sprishati. Sishu Agnim Sprishataha. Shishavaha Agnim Sprishanti. Okay. Then Shishuhu Agnim Asprishat. Sishu Agnim Asprishatam. Sishavaha Agnim Sprishan. Asprishan. Okay. Then Shishuhu Agnim Sprishatu. Sishu Agnim Sprishatam. Shishavaha Agnim Sprishantu. Shishuhu Agnim Sprishet. Shishu Agnim Sprishetam. Shishavaha Agnim Sprisheyuhu. Oh my God. Ratati, so many. Okay.
Only
That-
this, I think, up to here. Yes.
Okay. Ratati. Chatraha Patam Ratati. Chatrau Patam Ratataha. Chatraha Patam Ratanti. Chatraha Patam Aratat. Chatrau Patam Aratatam. Chatraha Patam Aratan. Then Chatraha Patam Ratatu. Chatrau Patam Ratatam. Chatraha Patam Ratantu. Chatraha Patam Chatrau Patam Ratetam. Chatraha Patam Rateyuhu. Okay.
Next one, Archidatu you can do. Bhujansagit.
Archidatu. Okay.
Pujakaha Devam Archati.
Pujakaha
priest.
Devam Archati. Okay.
Priest worship the
Pujakaha.
Lord.
Okay. Pujakaha Devam. Okay. Pujakaha Devam Archati. Pujakau Devam Archataha. Pujakaha Devam Archanti. Pujakaha Devam Archat.
Yes.
Pujakau Devau Archatam.
Devam, not Devo.
Devam.
Only one.
Devam Archatam. Pujakaha.
Pujakaha.
Pujakaha Devam Archanti. Then
Archan.
sorry, Archan. Yeah. Archan. Okay. Pujakaha Devam Archatu. Pujakau Devam Archatam. Pujakaha Devam Archantu. Then Pujakaha Devam Archet. Pujakau Devam Archetam. Pujakaha Devam Archeyuhu. Okay.
See, lung, lot, and ling, one thing is common, not one. In fact, the three things are common.
Yeah, tam is common in,
Yes.
yeah.
See, apatata, apatatam. The
Yes.
same tam in lot also.
Yes.
Patatam.
Yes.
In case of ling, it is patetam.
Yes.
Similarly, Madhyama Purusha, Dvivachanam, it is apatatam. In
Yes.
lot lakara, patatam. In ling
Yes.
lakara, patetam.
Yes.
Similarly, Madhyama Purusha, Bhagavachanam, in lang lakara, it is apatatha.
Yes.
Lang lakara, lot lakara, patata. Ling lakara, pateta. So,
Yeah.
these are common.
Yes, it's just that putting it together when you're forming a sentence is just not fluent.
Just you can, generally we have problem with Dvivachanam, not with Bhagavachanam. Bhagavachanam, some of you know. Ekavachanam also.
Yes.
In between Dvivachanam alone. So lung is lung first, and lot is like lung, and linga also similar to lung. This is the order. You can know.
Yes. Yeah, I remember like that, but it's just that when I say it, it's still not
If
sometimes.
one can do this without any without any difficulty, then the language will not be a problem speaking.
Yes.
This is the
Yes.
first practice. Okay, kartayati. Mata vastram kartayati. Or
Mata
janani vastram kartayati.
Janani vastram kartayati. Jananyau vastram kartayatah. Jananyah vastram kartayanti. Janani vastram akartayat. Jananyau vastram kartyetam.
Huh?
Sorry, akartyetam.
Akartayatam.
Yes, akartayatam. Jananyah vastram akartayan. Okay. Janani vastram kartayatu. Jananyau vastram kartayatam. Jananyah vastram kartayantu. Then Janani vastram kartayet. Jananyau vastram kartyetam. Jananyah vastram karteyuhu. Okay.
Kartayugu. Kartayeyugu.
No,
Kartayugu.
kartayeyuhu. Yeah, is also there. Kartayeyuhu. Yes.
Kartayeyugu. Okay.
Yes.
Then kata.
Which one?
Katayati.
Okay.
Guruhu shishyam katayati.
Okay. Guruhu shishyam kathayati. Guru shishyam kathayataha. Guravaha sishyam kathayanti. Guruhu shishyam akathayat. Guru shishyam akathayatam. Guravaha shishyam akathayanna. Guru shishyam kathayatu. Guru shishyam kathayatam. Guravaha shishyam kathayantu. Guruhu shishyam kathayet. Guru shishyam kathayetam. Guravaha shishyam kathayeyuhu.
Karoti.
Karoti. Okay.
So,
Krudatu, right?
Krudatu.
Saha
Ramaha karma karoti. Okay.
Ramaha karma karoti. Ramau karma karoti kurtaha kurvanti. Okay. Ramaha, first I'll do again. Ramaha karma karoti. Ramau karma kurtaha. Ramaha karma kurvanti. Then Ramaha karma akarot. Ramau karma, one second, akarot, akurutam. Akurutam, akurvan. Ramaha karma akurvan. Then karotu, kurvantu, kurtam, kurvantu. Okay. Ramaha karma karotu. Ramau karma kurutam. Ramaha karma kurvantu. Then kuryetam, kuryeyuhu. Okay.
Kuryat.
Kuryat, right? Kuryat, kuryatam, kuryayuhu. Correct?
Kuryeyuhu.
Kuryeyuhu. Kuryat, say it again. Kuryat,
Kuryat, kuryatam. Kuryugu,
Kurye.
sorry, now what did I say? Kuryugu, okay, not Kuryayugu. Kuryat, kuryatam, kuryugu. Kuryaha, kuryatam, kuryata.
Okay.
Kuryugu.
Kuryugu. Ramaha karma kuryat. Ramaha karma kuryat. Ramau karma kuryetam. Kuryatam. Ramaha karma kuryeyuhu. Kuryuhu. Okay.
If you ask you to do Atmanepadi, then what you will do?
Kuryeya.
Next
Kuryeya.
one, that's okay.
Okay.
Kujati.
Kujati.
So, Kokilaha Maduram Kujati.
Okay. Kokilaha Madhuram Kujati. Kokilau Madhuram Kujataha. Kokilaha Madhuram Kujanti. Then Kokilaha Madhuram Akujat. Akujat. Kokilau Madhuram Akujatam. Kokilaha Madhuram Akujanna. And then Kokilaha Madhuram Pujatu. Kokilaha Madhuram Pujatam. Kokilau Madhuram Pujatam. Kokilaha Madhuram Pujanti. Then
Kujantiya.
Kokilaha Madhuram.
Akujan, right?
When I finished, I was doing now lot.
Then it's a Kujanti, you said.
Kujantu, I said, right? I finished the.
Okay, anyway, I heard Kujanti. Fine. Okay.
First I said Kujanti, then I finished. Okay, maybe I didn't. I'll do then lung first. Okay, Kokilaha Maduram Akujat. Kokilau Maduram Akujatam. Kokilaha Maduram Akujan. Kokilaha Maduram Kujatu. Kokilau Maduram Kujatam. Kokilaha Maduram Kujantu. Kokilaha Maduram Kujet. Kokilau Maduram Kujetam. Kokilaha Maduram Kujeyuhu.
Next, Krandati.
Krandati. Shishum Balika Krandati. Balike Krandataha. Balikaha Krandanti. Balika Akrandat. Balike Akrandatam. Balikaha Akranden.
Akrandena. Akrandan.
Akrandan.
Akrandat, Akrandatam, Akrandan.
Akrandan. Balika Krandatu. Balika Krandatu. Balike Krandatam. Balikaha Krandantu. Balika Krandet. Balike Krandetam. Balikaha Krandeyuhu.
Gachati.
Gachati. Saha gachati. Tau gachataha. Te gachanti. Saha agachat. Tau agachetam.
Agachatam.
Agachetam, right?
Agachatam. Agachetam.
Oh, no. Yeah, that is one. Okay, sorry. Agachatam. Te agachan. Saha gachatu. Tau gachatam. Te gachantu. Saha gachet. Saha gachet. Tau gachetam. Te gacheyuhu.
Next one, Gayati.
Gayati. Okay. Sa Gayati.
Sa Geetam Gayati.
Okay. Sa Geetam Gayati. Te Sa Tetaha. Sa Geetam Gayati. Te Geetam Gayataha. Thaha Geetam Gayanti. And then Sa Geetam Agayat. Te Geetam Gayetam. Taha Geetam Agayen.
Gayan.
Gayan. Yeah. Agayan. Sa Geetam Gayatu. Te Geetam Gayatam. Taha Geetam Gayantu. Sa Geetam Gayet. Te Geetam Gayetam. Taha Geetam Gayeyuhu.
Okay. Gadati also means speaks only.
Yes.
Then Khanati is digging.
Dig. Yes.
So Krishakaha Kshetram Khanati.
Okay. Krishakaha Kshetram Khanati. Krishakau Kshetram Khanataha. Krishakaha Kshetram Khananti. Krishakaha Kshetram Akhanat. Krishakaha Kshetram Akhanatam. Krishakaha Kshetram Akhanan.
Akhanan.
Akhanan. Sorry, sir. Okay. Krishakaha Kshetram Khanatu. Krishakaha Kshetram Khanatam. Krishakaha Kshetram Khanantu. Krishakaha Kshetram Khanet. Krishakau Kshetram Khanetam. Krishakaha Kshetram Khaneyuhu.
Tarati.
Tarati.
Jnani Samsaram Tarati.
Jnani Samsaram Tarati. Jnani-nau, jnanaha. Okay. Jnani Samsaram Tarati. Jnaninau Samsaram Tarataha. Jnaninaha Samsaram Taranti. Jnani Samsaram Atarat. Jnaninau Samsaram Ataratam. Jnaninaha Samsaram Ataran. Jnani Samsaram Taratu. Jnaninau Samsaram Taratam. Jnaninaha Samsaram Tarantu. Jnaninaha Samsaram Taret. Jnaninau Samsaram Taretam. Jnaninaha Samsaram Tareyuhu.
Dhyayati. Sadakaha Vishnum Dhyayati.
Sadhakaha Vishnum Dhyayati. Sadakau Vishnum Dhyayataha. Sadakaha Vishnum Dhyayanti. Sadakaha Vishnum Adhyayat. Sadakau Vishnum Adhyayatam Tam. Sadakaha Vishnum Adhyayan. Sadakaha Vishnum Dhyayatu. Sadakau Vishnum Dhyayatam. Sadakaha Vishnum Dhyayantu. Sadakaha. Sorry. I didn't finish Linga.
Adhyayan, right?
Adhyayan. Yeah. Sorry, I went to Lord thinking I am in Lord. Adhyayan. Sadakaha Vishnum Dhyayatu. Sadakau Vishnum Dhyayatam. Sadakaha Vishnum Dhyayantu. Sadakaha Vishnum Dhyayet. Sadakau Vishnum Dhyayetam. Sadakaha Vishnum Dhyayeyuhu. Pashyati. Aham Chitram Pashyami. Avam Chitram Pashyamah. Vayam Chitram Pashyamah. Aham Chitram Apashyam. Aham Chitram Apashyam. Avam Chitram Apashyava. Vayam Chitram Apashyama. Aham Chitram. Aham Pashya. Aham Pashyani. Aham Chitram Pashyani. Avam Chitram Pashyava. Vayam Chitram Pashyama. Aham Chitram Pashyeyam. Avam Chitram Pashyeva. Vayam Chitram Pashyema.
Nayati. Saratihi Ratham Nayati.
Saratihi Ratham Nayati. Saratau Ratham Nayataha. Saratiya. Okay, Sarati. Okay, Ratham Nayati. Sarati. Nadi Shabdavati. No.
Saratihi.
Saratihi.
Shabdavat. Saratihi Ratham Nayati. Sarati Ratham.
Saratihi. Okay. Saratihi Ratham Nayati. Sarati Ratham Nayataha. सारथ्यः सारथ्यः सारथ्यः
सारथ.
गुरवः सारथ्यः
Not Guravah. Sara.
हरि
Hari.
हरि हरयः
Hari
हरयः
Arayah. Sara.
हरयः सारथयः सारथ्यः
Saratayah.
तयः सारथयः सारथयः रथं नयन्ति सारथिः रथम् अनयत् सारथी रथम् अनयतां सारथयः रथम् अनयन् सारथिः रथं नयतु सारथी रथं नयतां सारथयः रथं नयन्तु. Then सारथिः रथं नयेत् सारथी रथं नयेतां सारथयः रथं नयेयुः.
Pibati.
पिबति आनं पिबति
Tvam.
पिबसि.
Jalam Pibati. Sorry, Pibasi.
ओके त्वं जलं पिबसि युवां जलं पिबथः यूयं जलं पिबथ. देन् त्वं जलम् अपिबत् अपिब पिब अपिब अपिब
Apibaha.
पिबः सः तं त ओके अपिबः ओके त्वं जलम् अपिबः युवां जलम् अपिबतं यूयं जलम् अपिबत. देन् त्वं जलं पिब युवां जलं पिबतं यूयं जलं पिबत. And then पिबेत्. Okay. त्वं जलं पिबेः युवां जलं पिबेतां
Pibetam.
पिबेतं तं त ओके पिबेतं यूयं जलं पिबेत. ईतम् इत
Acharyah Shishyam Pritchati. Acharyah Prashnam Pritchati. Okay.
आचार्यः प्रश्नं पृच्छति आचार्यौ प्रश्नं पृच्छतः आचार्याः प्रश्नं पृच्छन्ति आचार्यः प्रश्नम् अपृच्छत् आचार्यौ प्रश्नं अपृच्छताम्
Acharyah Prashnah Aprichat.
अपृच्छत् अपृच्छताम् आचार्यौ प्रश्नं पृच्छताम् आचार्याः प्रश्नं अपृच्छन्. And then आचार्यः प्रश्नं पृच्छतु आचार्यौ प्रश्नं पृच्छताम् आचार्याः प्रश्नं पृच्छन्तु आचार्यः प्रश्नं पृच्छेत् आचार्यौ प्रश्नं पृच्छेताम् आचार्याः प्रश्नं पृच्छेयुः.
Last one. Akarmaka dhatu. Tishtati.
तिष्ठति सः तिष्ठति तौ तिष्ठतः ताः तिष्ठन्ति ते तिष्ठन्ति या सः तौ ते. And then सः अतिष्ठत् तौ अतिष्ठेताम् अतिष्ठतां ते अतिष्ठन्. And सः तिष्ठतु तौ तिष्ठतां ते तिष्ठन्तु सः तिष्ठेत् तौ तिष्ठेतां ते तिष्ठेयुः.
Okay. I think one lakara you missed in it's okay. No problem. Just a practice. Okay, nobody is there, you are there. I tell you, you can try for all this. This notes you must be having. Okay. Now, Kadati, what is the example you gave? Remember?
Annam Kadati. Saha Annam Kadati.
Saha.
Khadati.
Saha annam kadati, right?
Yes.
What prayoga?
This is Kartari.
Kartari prayoga. So there is, by Kriya Padam Karta is,
Saha.
by Kriya Padam Karta is Abhigitaha.
Abhihita, denoted. Yeah.
So Kartari prayoga, Abhigita is, what is Abhigita is Karta.
Yes.
And what is Abhigitam, that will be in Pratama Vibhakti. Remember like this.
Yes.
In Kartari Prayoga, Abhigita means denoted by Kriya Padam. What is Abhigitaha is Karta, and therefore Abhigitaha will be in Pratama Vibhakti. Therefore Abhigita Karta, Pratama Vibhakti. Simple.
Yes.
And all other Karakas will be Anabhigita.
Yes.
Anabhigitaha. Anabhigitam. Next here, what is Anabhigitaha? Other
Karma
Karaka
here.
is Karma user.
Yes.
So Anabhigita Karma will be Dvitiya. Dvitiya Vibhakti. So this is Kartari Prayoga. So I will write like this. In Kartari Prayoge, Abhigita Karta Pratama. Right?
Yes.
Anabhigita
Karma Dvitiya.
Karma Dvitiya Vibhakti. Pratama is Pratama Vibhakti. Anabhigita Karma is Dvitiya. In fact, all the Karakas are Anabhigita only. One can be Abhigita.
Yes.
The same sentence. No. You can try like this for all the Kriya Padam, whatever you did now.
Okay.
There, this I will write later, but I tell you, we are doing now. This is Kartari. Now here Karmani. In Karmani, what the same sentence you're taking. I'm going to write the sentence later, not now. But in Karmani Priyaha, what would be Abhigitam is Karma. Abhigitam will be Pratama Vibhakti. It means Karma will be Pratama Vibhakti.
Yes.
And Karta will be Anabhigita. Anabhigita Karta will be
Tritiya.
Tritiya Vibhakti.
Yes.
So in Karmani Prayoge, Abhigita Karma will be Abhigitam Pratama. Anabhigita Karta will be Tritiya.
Yeah. Yes.
So finally, this is what you need to remember. Kartari Prayoge, Abhigita Karta Pratama, Anabhigita Karma Dvitiya. Karmani Prayoge, Abhigita Karma Pratama, Anabhigita Karta Tritiya. Right? So now
Yes.
take the sentence.
Tena Annam.
Yeah, okay. Karta is Tena, Annam is Napumsakalinga.
So it is Annam only.
Annam only. And Kad Dhatu is Parasmipadi or Atmanipadi. Here,
Parasmipadi.
Kad is Kad plus Shap plus the Parasmipadi. So Kad plus Shap plus the Kadati. Right?
Yes. Yes.
In Kartari, Kadati. Which is Kad plus Shap plus the Kad plus Gana Vikana Pratyaya and Parasmipadi Dhatu, therefore Ti.
Yes.
But here, Dhatu is same, but in Atmane, in Karmani Prayoga, it will take Atmane Pada Pratyaya only. Even if it is Parasmipadi Dhatu, it will take Atmane Pada Pratyaya. And in Karmani Prayoga, for all the Dhatus, there is no Gana Vikarana, there is only Vikarana Pratyaya. It's a common Pratyaya for all. Content is Ya only.
Okay.
So therefore, Tena Annam Kad Ya Te. The form.
Te.
Tena Annam Khadyate. Annam is Ekavachanam, therefore Khadyate.
Khadyate.
Suppose if it is instead of, okay, let us take some other sentence. Tena, okay, I'm just taking palam,
Hmm.
kadyate. Only one palam.
Yes.
Suppose he is eating two pala. Karma
Pale.
is abhigita. Kadyate, te is
Kadyate.
Prathama Purusha
Kadye.
Ekavachanam. How can it be?
Te. Kadyate.
So therefore, pratyaya is te gite.
Yes.
Therefore, kadyate.
Yes.
This is what things samanadi karnam. That is by the Kriya Padam, karma is abhigitam. Kriya Padam ekavachanam. And karma also ekavachanam. Keeping with karma only, Kriya Padam should be. Other, vice versa.
Yes.
Tena pale kadyete. Then suppose if we say, Tena is, that will be Tena, only one person.
Yes.
1%, 2%, 3% doesn't matter, whatever it may be.
Pala.
Tena or Tabhyam or Taihi, whatever it is. Taihi palam kadyete. Sentence is correct, no problem.
Yes.
If we change
Palani.
it into Bhagavachanam, Tena palani,
Kadyate.
then the pratyaya is te ite ante, like labate, labete, lavante.
Kadyante.
So that will become kadyante. Fruits were eaten by him, only one person there.
Yes.
So tena palani kadyante or taihi palani ka, same only, taihi palani kadyante or tabhyam palani, doesn't matter, all will be same only. You have to see only the matching of vachanam between the karma and the
Yes.
kriya padam. So you can try for this notes you must be having.
Yes.
Okay. So this notes you must be having. You can
Yes.
try.
Okay.
So therefore, first don't try the sentence. First take the kriya padam and practice. Kadati, kadataha, kadanti. Kadasi, kadataha, kadata. Kadami, kadavaha, kadamaha. So convert into kriya padam. Kadyate, kadyate, kadyante. Kadyase, kadyethe,
Kadyate.
kadyadve.
Kadye. Kadye.
Kadye,
Kadye.
kadyavahe,
Kadyamahe. Kadyamahe.
kadyamahe.
Okay.
This is start with the letter. If you don't do all the lakaras together, it becomes difficult and you can get confused.
Okay.
One lakara. First let lakara you take, you can try for all the dhatus and then see for other lakaras. Okay, this is, you can try.
Okay.
The class I will teach anyway for nobody is there, you're the only person. Okay, now I write in English. You can do the sentence translation. Please do.
Simha garjati.
You can do all the Purusha or all the Vachanam.
Vachanam. Simha garjanti. Garjati. Simhau garjataha. Simhaha garjanti. वानरः धावति. वानरौ धावतः. वानराः धावन्ति. Porter.
The one who carries the load. Load is Bara. Baram Bhagati. Bara Vagaha.
Varam.
Bharavagaha.
Bharavahaha. Okay. Bharava. Bharavahaha. Okay. Bharavagaha. Vahati. Bharavahaha vahati. Bharavahau vahatah. Bharavahaha vahanti. Tarchakaha va?
No.
Carpenter.
Takshisa Dhatu. Takshakaha. Carpenter.
Takshakaha. Takshakaha. Takshasi. Takshati. Takshakaha. Takshati. Takshakau. Takshataha. Takshataha. Takshakaha.
Takshaka. Takshati. Takshako. Takshataha.
Takshataha. Takshakaha. Takshanti.
Dog.
Dog.
Barks.
Dog barks. So, Kukuraha. Barks is, I can't say. Barking, there's a special.
Dashati. Sorry, Dashati is biting. Shamita. Barking. Damsha Dhatu. Dasha, it is to. Damsh means to. What is that? Damshati is biting. Okay. But here only barking. Barking is What is the word we have seen before?
Barking. Pujati is to shout. That is only
Sorry?
Pujati is shout, right?
Kujati is cuckoo.
Cuckoo. So that is to sing.
What about barking? Kukuraha?
Kukkuraha.
Hmm.
Barking, I don't know.
Bashati. Bashati is barking. Yeah. Suddenly I don't know. I also forgot. Bashati. Bashati is for barking.
Kukkuraha bhashati. Kukkurau bhashataha. Kukkuraha bhashanti.
Then clouds roar.
Clouds roar. Megha.
Meghaha.
Meghaha. Meghaha garjanti.
Yes.
Meghaha garjanti.
So roar is garjati. Then sun burns.
Suryaha dahati.
Dagati or tapati also you can say.
Tapati.
Okay. Boys dance.
Balak. Balakaha. Balakaha nartanti.
No.
Nrityanti.
Dhatu is nirta dhatu.
Nrityanti.
Fourth conjugation. Ganavikarana is shen and anti. So
Nrityanti.
nritya. Fourth conjugation ya. Shen pratyaya ya. Angakarya.
Fourth, it is
Apit.
not there.
Angakarya will not happen.
Yeah.
So therefore sarvadhataka pratyaya only, but it is apit.
Yes.
Nritya a plus a.
Nrityanti.
Paralpasandi. Nrityanti. Balakaha nrityanti. Okay. Girls sing.
Balikaha gayanti.
Dhatu is gai. How do you get gayanti?
Gai plus a will come this is the what sandhi is ayadi.
Ayadi. So gai becomes gai.
Gai.
Gaya plus a. Gaya a plus a.
Yes, anti.
Yeah, only gayanti.
Pararupsam. Yeah.
Then he loves.
Saha hasati.
Asati.
Saha hasati tau hasataha te hasanti.
Cuckoos.
Cuckoo is kokilaha. Kokilaha kujati.
Kokilaha kujati. Yes.
Kokilau kujataha, kokilaha kujati.
Deer moves.
Mrigaha charati.
Mrigaha or another word also is there. Harinaha.
Harinaha. Okay.
Akaranta shabda.
Harinaha.
Boy writes.
Balakaha likati.
Can do all. Balaka likati, balo likataha.
Balakaha likanti. Cat. Marjalaha pibati. Marjalau.
Marjaraha. It is
Marjaraha. Marjaraha pibati. Marjarau pibataha. Marjaraha pibanti. Marjaraha.
Otherwise bidalaha.
Okay, bidalaha. Marjaraha. Parrot. Parrot talks. But the parrot is
Shuka Brahma Rishi. Why?
I don't know. Shukaha.
Shuka Samhita also is there.
Yeah. Shukaha. Shukaha vadati. Shukau vadataha. Shukaha vadanti. Shukaha. Adhyapaha pakaha upadishati or patayati.
Patayati. Oh, Patayati is good. Okay. अध्यापकः अथवा
अध्यापकः पाठयति, अध्यापकौ पाठयतः, अध्यापकाः पाठयन्ति,
अध्यापकः शिक्षकः
शिक्षकः,
then
आचार्यः,
सन्यासी moves around.
सन्यासी ज्ञानी शब्दं न सन्यासिन्, so सन्यासी
Sannyasin, yes. You can say sannyasin, sannyasi shabda, or
सन्यासी he is also there.
sannyasin, that is sannyasi, sannyasino, sannyasina, or
Yes.
yatihi.
Similar to jnani, nanina, nanina, yeah. Patihi.
Similar to yes.
Okay. Sannyasi go around. Brahmati, no?
Brahmati, yes.
Sannyasi Brahmati, Sannyasinau Brahmataha, Sannyasinah Brahmanti. Bhagavan Shishtati.
No.
No?
Remember the Kriya Padam. Bhagavan Srijati.
Srijati. Yeah, okay. Srijati. Bhagavan Srijati.
Bhagavan Jagat Srijati.
Srishtim Karoti, I can say it. So I don't know.
Srishtim Karoti, you can say, but Srijati, this is.
Srijati. Okay.
Okay.
Bhagavan Jagat Kriyati. Bhagavanau.
No, Bhagavano. Bhagavan, Bhagavanto. Okay, Bhagavano.
Bhagavanto. Okay.
Bhagavat Shabda it is.
Okay. Bhagavan,
So Bhagavan Jagat Srijati. Bhagavanto.
Jagat Srijataha. Bhagavanto. Bhagavantaha. Bhagavantaha Jagat Srijanti.
Yes. Actors act.
Natakaha. Natakaha.
Natakaha is not actor. Huh?
Okay. Abhineta.
Abhineta.
Abhineta. Abhineta. Okay. Abhineta. Abhinayat.
Abhinayat. Yes. Abhinayanti.
Abhinetaha. Abhinay. Abhinetaha.
Abhinetaraha. Abhinayanti.
Netaraha. Okay. Abhinetaraha.
Abhinetra Shabda.
Abhinetru. Okay.
Or Nataha you can say. Nataha is actor. Nataha, Nati.
Okay. Neta.
Nadigar, Nadigai, the same thing. Child cries.
Shishuhu krandati. Shishu krandataha. Shishavaha krandanti.
Shishuhu krandati. Same thing. Crying is done by the child.
Oh, you want the other one, right? So
Just
this
we do.
is Titiya. So Guruna. So Shishuna. Shishuna. Krandayati. Krandayate. Yeah.
Krandyate. Krand is a dhatu.
Yes, Krandyate. Okay. Krandyate.
Same thing. Actors.
Abhinet, we said Nataka. Oh, what is Netra, we said, right? So Netra, Matu, that one is Matra. So
Why Matra?
No. What is the Tritiya is Netra? No.
Abhinetrabihi.
Netrabihi.
Kartrabhyam, Kartrabihi.
Kartra, I was looking for the, I was telling the Ekavachanam. Okay, Netrabihi, yes. Abhinetrubihi, Natyate.
Abhinaya. No.
Abhinaya.
What is that dhatu?
Abhinayati.
Abhinayanti, active voice.
Yes.
What is the dhatu here?
Naya dhatu.
Nai dhatu. There is no Nai dhatu at all.
Naya dhatu. What is Naya?
No. What is the dhatu? You tell me. You have done this before. I have done the class. For both Parasmana Atmanepada, I have derived forms.
The first Abhinayati, right? The other form is Nayati, correct? Abhinayati.
Bhagavachanam, here only I have done only Bhagavachanam active voice.
Yes.
Okay. Abhinayati or Abhinayanti, what's the big deal? What is the dhatu?
The Natu is.
Don't jump. Listen to me first.
Hmm.
It is Abhinayanti. I am written only as an active voice only.
Okay.
Abhinayanti. What is the dhatu? It's
Dhatu
not
is.
just Abhinayante. Not like that, right? Take the dhatu and then add the yak pratyaya. Not shap anymore.
Okay. Na. Yeah.
How do you find out the dhatu?
See, Anti is the thing. So it is. Yeah.
Remove anti.
Anti, if I remove Nai. Nai.
Nai is a dhatu. No. First conjugation.
As conjugation. Yes.
Then what is that?
Nai has to
This
come.
is the
Nai has to
pratyaya.
come.
Then
Now.
something. What is there in between? Something must be there. What is that? That is added here. You have to remove that.
Okay. Yakara.
No.
It's not. It's actually it is come from the I is there. I is there. Nakara and I.
See, Nayanti is there, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Let me do like this. Patanti is there.
Yes.
How do you find out the dhatu?
I know Anti is the pratyaya.
Anti is a
Plus-
pratyaya. Can you say pat? No, not pat. It is pata only. Pata
Okay.
plus anti. And pata also you have to split it into two, which
Pat
is
plus A. Pat
pat
plus
plus
A.
shap.
Yeah. Okay.
Same thing, Nayanti. Split
Okay.
this.
Nai plus
Not
A.
Nai. Again, you're doing the same mistake. Naya plus anti.
Correct. Then it will become,
Then here A is there.
yes.
The A is remove it. Then become Nai.
Nai plus A. Yeah.
Shap plus anti.
Yes.
Where I go.
Yes.
Nai plus shap plus anti. Shap is nothing but A.
Yes.
Then Nai. How Nai would have come? What is Nai? It is Nakara plus I. What is I?
I could have come from Ayadi if
Ayadi. Yeah. When Ayadi, I must have come in the place of?
A becomes I.
Yes,
A.
yes,
Ne,
ye. Just
ne.
stop that. Ye.
Yeah.
Then Nakara plus ye.
A. Ne.
But ne is not the dhatu. This is shabda, shab, right? That has become a. So it is ye. Sorry, I myself have written by mistake. I myself have given the answer. Ne. So what has become ye?
E has become A.
Exactly. E alone has become, that is E. So for ni.
That.
Ni plus shab. That ni
Yes.
will become ne. Then ayar is in the nai. Then
Yes.
naya, nayanti. Right?
Understood. Yeah.
So therefore ni is a dhatu. Now we are doing karmani prayoga. It is karmani. Atmanepada pratyaya. Bhagavachanam is ante. It is not shap. It is
Yep. Yak.
yak. Content is ya. Therefore form is niya plus ante.
Niyante.
Therefore abhi
Abhiniyante.
the
Okay.
form.
Understood.
Abhinetribhihi abhinihante.
Okay.
Acting was done. Acting is done by the actors.
Okay.
Okay, anyway, it was just like that. Karmani prayoga to think and do. Fine, I'll type some more. You can. Leader sits.
Nayakaha upavishati. Nayaka
Yeah.
upavishataha. Nayakaha upavishanti.
Sun rises.
Suryaha udati.
Udeti.
Udeti, yeah. Suryaha udeti.
He
Suryau.
cuts.
Surya udetaha. Suryaha ude.
No. That's something different. Udeti is okay. Not leave it that. Not udetaha, not that, because it's different.
Okay. Saha karta.
Why it became? Because I said udeti. You said.
Yes.
Udeti is ut is upasarga.
Okay.
Ud is upasarga. That is justum has happened. Actually, it is ut. Then what is that? Eti.
Eti.
Eti means what is dhatu? I told you already. No.
E dhatu. E.
Yes. In gato.
It becomes A.
that second conjugation, E plus shap plus tip, shap will
Yes.
go away. I told you,
Yes.
remember? Then tip
Yes.
only this tiprataya, angakare will happen ye, justam, therefore ude, udeti, right?
Yes. Yes.
Now we are splitting everything. Now E,
Yeah.
B vachanam is tas. Can tas cause angakariya? No.
No.
Sarvadhataka, but it is apit. It cannot
Apit.
cause.
Yes.
Therefore, form will become uditaha then.
Uditaha. Okay.
That's why you cannot say udetaha, uday, and udayanti. That's wrong.
Okay.
Similarly, here also anti.
Yes.
E will become sandhi, yanti. Yeah.
Yeah.
Therefore,
Udyan.
udyanti, it will become suryaha udyanti.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
You cannot, that's why I said don't do that. This
Okay.
Prathama Bhakti is okay.
Okay.
He cuts.
Saha kartayati. Tau
Hmm.
kartayatah. Taha te kartayanti.
Okay. Giver forgets.
Giver. Dat.
1 minute. Giver forgets, yeah.
Data vismarati.
Yes.
Datarau vismarataha. And dataraha vismaranti.
Yes. Fire burns.
Agnihi dahati. Tapati. Agnihi. Harishabdavat. Agnihi.
Yeah.
Okay. Agnihi. Agni. Dahataha. Agnayaha. Dahanti. Choraha. Atati. Choraha
Yes.
atati. Chorau atataha. Choraha atanti. Wind dries.
Wind do not dry. Atma do not dry.
Wind.
Doesn't dry.
Anilaha is what? Wind.
No.
No.
Yes.
Okay. Anilaha.
Anilaha is there. Or Vayuhu.
Vayuhu. Okay.
Or Marutaha.
Marutaha.
Shoshayati. Na shoshayati Marutaha. Gita.
Shoshayati. Okay. Anilaha na shoshayati. Anilau na shoshayataha. Anilaha na shoshayanti. I smell. Granami. Aham granami.
Aham jigrami, not
Jigrami.
Granami is holding, grasping.
Yes,
holding.
yes. Jigrami. Yes, yes, yes.
Jigrami.
Yes, yes, yes. Jigrami. Jigrami. Washerman. Washerman is prakshalayati. Is okay. What is washerman?
Rajakaha. Dobi.
Rajakaha. Rajakaha prakshalayati. Rajakau prakshalayataha. Rajakaha prakshalayanti.
Yes. Okay, I think we will stop here. Do you want this document?
No.
I'll delete this. Huh?
Yes.
Anyway, it will be there in the recording. You can, in case you can watch.
Yes.
Okay, we'll stop here. You're the only person interested. Sunday class. Good. It's okay for me. No problem.
No, I think this is the only time we get to apply and see. So for me, this is very useful.
Yes. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada, Shanji.